Hello guys, welcome to my line. Good morning. Today we have a 5 draws to give out football predictions, a total of 505 odds. So let's get started. And if you're watching this on Instagram Reels, kindly go to our YouTube channel Moneyline and watch the full video. Okay, the first game we have today is in Portugal Division 1, where OS Belenenses is taking on Santa Clara, and my prediction is full-time draw. The next game I have is in Netherlands Eredivisie, where FC Den Bosch is taking on SC Combo, and my prediction is full-time draw. The next game I have is a game in the Italy Serie C, where Eze Pisano is taking on Juve Stabia, and my prediction is full-time draw. As you know, we have a VIP platform where we share short 2 odds on daily basis. If you want to join us and win daily on our 2 odds series, kindly check my WhatsApp link in the comment section and chat me up. The next game I have is a game in the Romania Premier League, where Otolo Galati is taking on FC Tosani, and my prediction is full-time draw. The last game I have in this ticket is a game in the Ivory Coast Premier League, where ASEC Mimosas is taking on Zoman FC, and my prediction is full-time draw. And that's all I have for you in this ticket. Okay guys, always remember to bet responsibly. I will see you tomorrow, and Merry Christmas in advance.